students, this is Vivek Vaibhav and you are watching Keen on Geography. This is new topic, new chapter, that is the motion of Earth. Last two chapters you must have known how does the Earth look like and what she work. That means अर्थ दिखती कैसे, वो पहनती क्या. That means I guess you know what I am telling. Latitude and longitude grid is supposed to be the cloth of Earth. I am just kidding. I am talking about geographical grid. So you must have known these two things. And now, how does she walk? Means Earth walk. That means I mean to say the motion of the Earth. Although in geology, in geography, in astronomy, there is a difference of movement or motion. Now, in your chapter, we have motion in astronomy. So, we are going to discuss about motion of the Earth. Okay? So, we have in this chapter, learning objective of this chapter, what if you have finished this chapter? So, you know what is the motion of the Earth, types of the motion of the Earth, effects of the rotation and revolution on the Earth. What is the effect? What if Earth is not tilted, Earth is vertically positioned? What if all the heavenly bodies, if all the planet in solar system not follow the Newton's first law? This is the matter we are going to discuss further. But today, what is the rotation, revolution, axis versus orbit, and all the things about this? So you know, this is the model of Earth. You look at this, this is tilted. When the Earth rotates on its axis, when the Earth moves on its axis, round on this axis, on his axis, on her axis, it is called what? Rotation. It is called rotation. That means, and what is axis? It is also question. Axis means two poles joining with one line is an axis. That means this north pole to this south pole. This is the axis of the Earth. Isn't it? So, rotation of the Earth is caused what? Day and night. How? If, look at this, this is the Earth and facing what? Light. So, opposite to this, there is no light. That means dark. So, this side falls day and this side falls night. Okay? Clear? This is the phenomenon of the Earth. In 24 hours, Earth moves one round, complete one round, one rotation on his axis. Okay? So, there is the difference between, suppose this is 12 o'clock, 12 noon, then next day, each and every day, sun appears 4 minutes before the sidereal day. What is sidereal day? Actually, Earth complete actual rotation on his axis is 23 hours 56 minutes and 4 seconds. Okay? The rest of this become 4 minutes, like 24 hours divided by 365 days is equal to 4 minutes we have. So, we have difference between sidereal day and solar day is 4 minutes. Solar day means each and every day Earth, Sun reach that particular point in 24 hours, but Earth rotate on his axis 23 hours 56 minutes and 4 seconds. Okay? So I hope it is clear. So revolution, rotation. Revolution means Earth revolve its elliptical path. Elliptical path means like a oval shape, egg shape path in a layman language. So this egg shape path, elliptical path, Earth revolve. Complete revolution, Earth taking 365 days. Further we discuss more about this when we are going to discuss effect of revolution. But now we are discussing here only this thing. So on axis Earth rotate, and this is elliptical orbit. That means way, path of the Earth to revolve the Sun. Okay? So one complete revolution is completed in 365 days. Now, due to this, we have season. This is going to discuss further. But what is axis and orbit? Axis versus orbit. So further, earlier I discussed what is the axis from North Pole to South Pole joining one point, and the orbit is the path of elliptical, which is the way to complete revolution of the Earth. Okay, and axis is tilted. This is the axis. Earth this is not vertical. This is tilted. Earth is tilted on his axis from 23.5 degree. Look at this. This is 90 degree. Exactly 90 degree. And Earth is tilted on 23.5 degree. Tilted. And this orbital path, planet orbit path, that means this Earth makes a subtended angle 66.5 degree. Okay? Due to this, we have what? Revolution, rotation, and this sidereal day differentiation. We are going to discuss further what is the impact, what is the effect of rotation, what is the effect of revolution. Okay? So thank you so much. One more thing I am going to add here is rotation of the Earth. Just look at this rotation of the Earth from west to east. If you observe at pole, this is counterclockwise, that means anti-clockwise, and just look at this. This is clockwise. Okay, so where any parts of faces sun, it is what? day, and opposite to that part is night. Okay, and the maximum motion speed of the earth on equator is what? 1674 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is the rotation speed of the earth. Okay, so if you position here and earth maximum light on where? In equator, and where you go towards, heading towards north pole, heading towards south pole, pole, that means we find it is what? Slant light of the sun, not direct light. Okay, so I hope all things is clear about axis, orbit, and rotation, revolution. More things we have to read here, we have to learn here, that is impact or effect of rotation and revolution. This is it. Thank you so much.